Modern life is noisy, cities are bustling, and every journey, whether by train, bus or car, comes with a symphony of sound and vibrations. But in the midst of this chaos, there are companies working to bring back comfort, calm and quality. What if we could reduce the sounds that surround us? What if every journey felt smoother and more peaceful? That's where Flexibil steps in. Based in Romania, Flexibil specializes in producing advanced anti-vibration components that reduce both noise and vibrations in various industries. Whether it's in a fast-moving train, a highway, or a bustling railway station, Flexibil's solutions play a crucial role in minimizing disruptions and enhancing comfort.
Hello, I am Gabriel Popescu, Business Development Manager at Flexibil, and I am excited to show you how the rubber metal components, which are used to solve vibration and noise problems in various industrial applications, are manufactured in our modern factory in Săsar, Maramureș. We are dedicated to quality and innovation, and we are taking pride in every product which we are manufacturing. Our cooperation with Raben has been essential for expanding our business into the European markets. Raben has provided us with a reliable and flexible solution, allowing us to concentrate more on developing our products and on satisfying our customers.
In addition to comprehensive control over the entire supply chain, one of the major advantages offered by Flexibil to its clients is its short delivery times. 14 to 16 weeks for new products and just 8 to 10 weeks for existing products. All the efforts made by Flexibil to provide their clients with short delivery times require a reliable and efficient partner. This is where Raben Group comes in.
Hello, I'm Caterina Zamfir, International Transport Manager in Raben, Romania. We are proud to work with our partner Flexibil to facilitate their exports to European markets. Flexibil can benefit from our efficient and fast transport solutions, and we ensure that their products reach their destination in optimal conditions and on time. We are dedicated to provide the best transportation and logistics services and strive to be a trusted partner for all our clients. The collaboration with Flexibil has been excellent, and we are excited to continue to work together to achieve our common goals.
With over 90 years of experience in logistics, Raben Group provides the transport solutions that Flexibil needs to expand its reach and impact. By seamlessly connecting the factory in Săsar with European markets, Raben ensures that every product reaches its destination safely and on time. It's a partnership built on trust, quality, and mutual growth. At Raben, every journey matters. From the moment a shipment is loaded onto a truck to its safe arrival at the customer's door, every step is carefully managed to uphold the highest standards of quality and service. Flexibil's innovative products, combined with Raben's logistics expertise, create a synergy that brings value to businesses and comfort to the end users. Together, Flexibil and Raben are more than just partners. They're problem solvers, working to make every journey quieter, smoother, and more enjoyable. Because true innovation isn't just about creating great products, but about getting them where they're needed most. Raben, bringing comfort and reliability across Europe.